Start streaming. Is it going to work? Yes, I have a connection. That's good. Right. Step one. Right. That's just going to keep going, apparently. Yeah, it is. Good. Right. I'm happy with that. That should be streaming. Just shove that over there. So, what am I doing here? I'm going to install in a virtual machine in Qemu, and it's AntiX 386, and it's the full version, although it says at the top it's runit version. It's not, it's the sysVinit version. So I'm going to install this, see what this is all about, and see what I get in the thing. Far from perfect. Oh dear. A bag full of oranges. See what I've got in here. So this comes up here. What we got? Using 113 megs out of 2 gig. It's not bad. A disk. No swap. 2.79. 1.3. Got 2.79 megs, so not doing much, is it? Right, what's this thing? Oh, Wi-Fi. We ain't got Wi-Fi. Sod off. Right, I just want to install this, to be honest. At the moment, just going to go through the installer. Oh, a single click on this bloody thing. Okay. Right, finding out something about this now. Single click. Right. Before proceeding, close all other applications. That was a suicidal fruit fly around my head. On each page, please read the instructions and make the selections, then click on Next. When you are ready to proceed, you will be prompted to confirm before any destructive actions are performed. But this is the first time I've run it, so I've got a different keyboard layout. So I've got to add that. And UK variant, no variants that do. That's got to go up. Thank you. Okay. Hotkeys, whatever. Don't need any of that. Apply. Okay. So that should be okay. Next, install options. No, I'm not running Mac. Using the root home space. VDA. Don't want hibernation support. No. Customize the disk layout. Can't be asked. Regular install. Let's do that. Now perform the requested actions. The entire disk of VDA is going to be formatted. So let's go for it. Computer name. Where do we install our user? We'll just leave that as that. Not doing Samba or anything like that at the moment, so not taking long to install, is it? But all the time zones are wrong. I've noticed that because it's not 12:17. No. I've got to set all the locales and everything else because that's all knackered, isn't it? I mean, what is? Whoa! I'm a freaking back. What is that? I haven't even looked at it. What we got here? Yeah, it says clock. Wait, day's correct. She's in the wrong bloody time zone. Yeah, that's it. UTC. Thank you. That's what it should be. Should be GMT for me, but it's got UTC in there. Anyway, it's not taking too long to install. It's quite quick, really. Just going to leave it like that. Okay, no, locale, of course. So there. Time zone. Right, it's not too bad. Europe, London. Right, format. Yeah. Like that. Start. That should be fine. What's this? System clock uses local time. Of course it fucking does. Don't want somebody else's time. Anyway, it's time to put in the user. Right, so default password. What are we going to call it? I don't know, something stupid. Only a demo, isn't it? Stupid password. Root administrator account. Why not? Give that something. Right. Might as well I log in. Live desktop changes. Well, there aren't really any. I haven't done anything to it. That's installing in like 250 odd megabytes. It's tiny. Use some of the swap though. I've noticed 11 megabytes of that. Seems okay. Right. Next thing I'm going to do is install the runit version of the 32-bit because I want to try this on some old machines in my workshop and make them useful. It's always handy to have a few little machines to dip into places and do stuff with. So, all right, automatically reboot. Yeah, why not? Finish. That should boot up to the desktop and I'll shut it down. Not good. Right. Okay. All right, desktop. How's this supposed to be working now? 112. I think it's going to this wireless thing that I ain't using. Suppose that'd be handy though. Right. I'm going to shut this down. Look at the other one. Yeah. Shut down. Right. Okay. That's done. Let's make a new one, shall we? So, make a new one. I'll pull that over here. There we go. Architecture 8664. Haven't got the 32-bit option in here anymore. Not automatically detected. But we've got, right, so runit 64. No, we have runit 386. Yeah, and this should be Debian, shouldn't it? Debian 12, I assume. Forward, 2 gig, 2 CPUs. Yeah, we'll write that in there. Change this. So it's runit. Isn't it? Change that bloody thing up there. Finish. And it's going to ask us what we want to do. Well, this thing for starters, or boot options on, put that on, and there. And then I've got to set my passwords on this. So I'm going to drag it over here. You can't see it. Right. Okay. So I think that's about done it. I want to run it on here, won't I? Let's begin it. Here we go. Lovely. Start off on this. Bugger. There we are. Right. So this is runit 386. Let's see what this works like. Install it and try them side by side, see what's going down. Should be useful, should be useful. Installing it's pretty cool. Be nice to see which one installs faster at the end of the day. So is it going to go through the same old stuff? Are we using less? No. 121, 122, 124. It's not bad. I kill that. What's it go down to? 105. So is it using less memory than the other one? Run the installer. Oh, look, it's done that, hasn't it? Oh, no, it double clicks. Double click, it opens two of them. Right, so I've got to do that, and I go to UCT. Change keyboard. Right, here we go. Okay, stuff that up there. Up we go. Apply. Okay. Next. Yeah. Let's go. AntiX. No, we've got to do this. The fuck. Huh? There we are. Hey. Where are you? I'm so dyslexic, I can't find it. Is it gone? Where's L? There it is. Right. Next. Username. Right. Password. Right. Do that as auto login again. Why not? And wait for it to go in. So that seems to be going nicely as far as I'm concerned. I don't see I have any problem with that. So 200 odd. Interested to see what it uses. I mean, this seems to have used a little bit more swap. The installations, I don't know if it's using less RAM. I have to look back on it and see what's going on. See if you bugger all of the disk though, eh? Be ready before long. 93% finished. Change settings while you wait. You can so you can change settings as you're installing, hitting the next or back buttons. So you can go back and change bits before it bloody installs it. That's very nice to know. Yeah, this installer waits for you. That's good. That's a really nice touch actually for installing stuff. It'll wait for you. It'll continue installing once you've got the right information in there. So to reboot. Oh, it's disappeared. Right. Wait for it to do its business then. Seems to come up quite nicely. Yeah. All right. Hmm. This is easy to run it. So, right, crap out of the way. We're stuck on US for some reason, which we shouldn't be. So, editor. What we got in this thing? Settings, preferences. Oh dear. GI. Near the control center, I think. Right. I need the keyboard stuff, don't I? Otherwise it's set to the wrong bleeding keyboard, isn't it? I'll do it like that. Oh, right, it will. Oh, it's set to British now. It's just done that on its own. Okay. Session. Times correct. Yes. Software. Package installer. Updater. Always the best thing to run in first place. Right. So, it should update the thing. What's that? It's always lots of useful tooltips. No updates were found. All right. So, we got browser on here. What we got for the browser? Web browser. See that? What we got out of the box? How well does it run? Right, Firefox. Always good. See what a YouTube video runs like on here. Oh, having trouble. So I'm not getting anything out of the bleeding firewall. Right. Network. Where the fuck? Network interfaces. Right. Method. Yeah. So that should set it up, I hope. Enter to continue. Right. Let's see if we've got a network up. See if I can get anything on here. What's it doing? Right, see if we get that. See if we can get YouTube to load. Come on. Must be something going on here. Oh dear. Don't seem to be anything happening. I don't know why. Not getting anything. Oh dear. Unable to connect. Right. Why? Let's have a look. What we got? No, it's not connected to anything. Why? Why can't I get a bloody thing on this? I don't understand why I can't get the internet. Huh? So what's going on here? I don't understand why I can't get the internet. So, have I got the poxy internet? Have I got a connection? Still nothing. Nothing. Or is it? What the fuck? See if that works. Yeah, that's working. So why won't Firefox bloody work? Do that for fuck's sake. Save my freaking eyes. Is it the fucking firewall? No idea why Firefox won't fucking work. Restart that. See if that makes a difference. Oh dear. Come on, turn off. No, that's how it's done something else, has it? Reboot. See if that logs in. Ethernet's on. I want to know. Connected? No. Why? Why have I got nothing? This is an arse. I should have to fuck about with this every bloody time. What's going on? Got nothing in here. This is bollocks. Sorry, I can't get anything to fucking work. Right. What the fuck? What's this? Oh, what this is fucking doing. Double keyed everything. Right, yeah. We going to get anything? Or am I going to get a connection? See if we got an IP address. Yeah, looks like it's local. Don't know what that other fucking one was. Right. See if we can get Firefox to load this time. See if we can get an outside line. What are we getting? Fuck all? Looks like it. Fuck's sake. Nothing. Give up. Let's try the other one. See if that connects to the bleeding internet. This one clearly doesn't. Fuck. Right. What the fuck happened there? Why is it on the United States again? Oh dear. Same shit. Yeah? Right. Can I get Firefox to fucking work? Is there an IP address? Right. No, some weird shit. What is this? Why am I getting this? Will Firefox fucking connect? Yeah, great. Oh, we're having trouble again. No, can't find jack shit. So, nice and lightweight, but unless I can connect to the frigging internet, there's no bleeding point, is there? What about if I try a different adapter through the VM? Will that sort it out? The bloody things. Change that to regular. But IO is a hypervisor. Maybe that. I don't know. That. Why not? Bloody have that. Try it. Let's try that, see if it's better. See what we get. Right, this is finished. Is it still stuck in the US? Oh no, it's gone to British now, all on its own. Some weird fucking address. See if it works. Do we get a web page? Well, I want to know. Just want to see a web page. Right, looks like we did. Got a web page now. Okay, so it's. I've just got to pass it through. That'd be stupid. Right. That's just my setup, probably. The looks of things. Didn't like the VirtIO for some reason. I don't know why. Normally works. All the other distros, it works. But this one, can't use a VirtIO. Not out of the box, anyway. Just choose a line. See if we got an update. See if I can do that. Pretty swift, to be honest. If I hit that. 1, 2, yeah, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, 5 seconds, I suppose. Not too bad. Control center. So what do we want here? Updates, don't we? System, software, updater. Got any updates? Oh, pardon me. Yeah. Automatic update. Much better. Here we go. It's a tiny footprint, that. It's ideal. Don't know what YouTube's going to be like. Be running off software on this. Yeah, not too bad. Not too bad at all, this little thing. Quite happy with that, to be honest. Looks good. Once I got it working, it's a bit fussy about the connections, but we'll get there in the end. Have to change it on the other one. So this is the runit init system. Run it. Just runs it. Don't know how it works. We'll dive under the hood and have a look, won't I? It's nippy anyway. Only using a couple of 100 MB. This is mental. Running this on stupidly old hardware. If that's all it's taking up, and it's not using any swap, I know it's like this, but like surely I've got a seriously old one that was supposed to be when it was new, was top of the range laptop up the workshop that customer gave me. I haven't really fired it up. I had a quick look at it, but it's a sort of laptop you would have used for video editing and stuff back about, well, over 20 years ago, I'd say now. Early 2000, 2001. And probably, I don't know, it's probably a Windows 98 machine originally. But I'd like to try something new on it, because they said it was a bloody good little machine. I've got all the charger and everything for it, so little arc piece. If I can run stuff on it, I'm wondering if I could edit videos on it. It's going to be, this would be pre-HD era, way before. Probably just around the time that DVDs were new. Like everyone was still like buying cassette tapes and stuff. And at least it's updated. It's doing a good little job of it, I suppose. Glad I got the net up and running in the end. Took a bit of doing. I don't know if that old machine will be able to output. It should be able to. I'll be able to record the screen on the bare metal. But I've got a couple of them that are old 32-bit machines. Oh, shit. That should work quite nicely with this. Looking at the resource usage, it's tiny. Excuse me. Oh, terrible bloody cold here. There we go. All finished. Right. Let's get the other one up. And get that updated, I think. How long that took. Right, let's get the other one up. Bleeding thing. Where's me thing? There it is. So right, this one. There we go. So you see, this is the sysVinit. Let's see what this is like. Oh, pardon me. Again, NIC. I'm just going to change that to the hypervisor default for the moment. Keep my bridge intact. And see if that makes a difference. Right, there we go. Which one boots faster? Yeah, it always starts with American keyboard and mouse, even though I've set the British one as the top. But there you go. Well, it works. So if I go in here, see if we've got an IP address. Yeah, we got a sensible one again. So back down to our control center. Bleeding letterboxing is doing my head in. Right, just the menu again. So on the display on this. Be on desktop, don't know. Disk session. So into session. Set screen resolution. Yes, please. Well, that's the one, yeah. Right. Nah, shite. What the fuck? Right. That's wrong. That's the one. Right. Okay. That's correct for this frigging screen now. Right. What are we doing? Software. Update. Finished another one. Right, 68 on this one. The other one was 70 odd. So we've got less updates on this version than we have on the runit version. Interesting. These are the 32-bit versions as well. I could close the layout thing, can't I? Yeah. That's good. Open up the word again. Very nice. Very, very nice, this. Hey, they got ARM versions of this. They got like Raspberry Pi versions. That'd be great. Don't think they have though. Have a look. Just x86 versions. No, no Raspberry Pi versions. I was just going to use Raspberry. And that'll work. What works, works. I've got a number of different like Raspberry Pi Zeros. I've got the Zero 2, which is 64-bit. I've got a few like Raspberry Pi Zeros that are 32-bit. This is sweet, this operating system, to be honest. Once I got it going. Not bad. It's not bad. Program got package install. I haven't gone for that yet. All the conky stuff seems to have disappeared off the edge of the screen. Yeah, that's annoying. I'll change it again. Say virtual. It was up here, wasn't it? Let's just do that. We still haven't got it. It's sort of like died. Yeah. Don't know if it'll come back. I'll just reset that to what it was before because it just looks better. Oh, that's wrong. Getting it wrong again. It's that one. Right. I'll get there in the end. Look at that bloody thing. Use a desktop session. What's this do? Oh, right. So, few bits in there. Lots of stuff. Mouse, wallpaper, start up, desktop session, login manager, auto login, enable numlock at login. That'd be fucking handy if it would. Yeah. Test theme. Looks nice. Yeah. Yeah. Did it do that properly? I don't know. Did it die in the background? So don't close this and then start poking around with stuff and it all goes wrong. Alright, no updates were found. Let's log out and log in again. See what we get. Nice. Cool. So hit enter there, takes you to the other one. I was trying to click it there, nothing happened. Sign in. Got a nice sign-in screen. Yeah, not bad. Not bad. But it's come back up again. Oh, good. So that's pretty cool. We're using the ZZZ ICE WM. Bloody good, I think. Yeah. Blue crystal, huge. Yeah. But the desktop's wrong. I don't like that. Wow, this is, well, I didn't expect that. Control center. Set resolution. Shouldn't be this, should it? It should be down here, shouldn't it? Yeah, that. What's that do? What is this? Huh? Don't understand. Do I need a name for this? Call it main? No idea. That's weird, isn't it? Right. I think I'm going to change that theme. It's a bit shit. Yeah, won't we? Right, what else we got? Right. Spend ages doing this, can't you? do that. It's normal. It's not bad, is it? It's like an old desktop system. Oh, dearie me. Set grub image. Cool, you can do all this from it. Very nice. Go back to the default, I think. Yeah. Wow. Magic. What the fuck is that? Oh, that's all right. Yeah, that's quite nice, actually. I like that. That's much better, to be honest. Right. What's this look like? Usual shit. Better that, to be honest. Oh, pardon me. Change the boot image so I could download some stuff. I could put what I liked in there. PNG only. Droopy file sharing. What is that? So I could start up an HTTP server on 8800. Interesting. No configuration found. Right. Wow. That's good. Shared folders. Access cloud storage. rclone. rclone? I've never heard of this. Well, need a Qemu away for that. What's this? Oh, OneDrive, Google Drive. Nice. Manage cloud drives. Can I connect to Mega? I can get OneDrive and Google Drive on here. Now that's something new for Linux, because I always have struggled getting OneDrive and Google Drive to work nicely with Linux. This could be really good. Really, really good. Oh, dear me. It's rotten cold. I do apologise for sticking my fucking fingers up my nose as I'm doing this. Whatever. OneDrive access, eh? And add that to it. So I've got to log into it, have I? Sign into your account. Wow. So I can get into that. That'll be good. That's out of the box. That's something a lot of Linux distributions just simply do not have. There's no harm in using these services. I mean, I know they're proprietary, but everyone relies on them now, especially OneDrive. I mean, I started on Windows systems yonks ago, and now like you're tied into Microsoft emails and stuff, and you've got the OneDrive with it. And I do have a Windows machine or two that I use because compatibility with certain pieces of software that everybody else is using. But if I can use OneDrive on my Linux machines like this, that's great. That's absolutely frigging brilliant. Anyway, I'm not going to log it in now. I'll set up one with my stuff in later. But that's good. That's really cool. Now, I want to have a look. Let's load up the other one. Log this one out, shut this one down. Load up the init run one. Run init. Yeah, it's run init. Right. So this is sysVinit. It's not sysd, not system D. This is sysVinit. So let's get the other one up. Yeah, run it. It's simply called run it. So let's get this open. Here it is. See? Run it. Got to wait for it to load. Now, what footprint am I getting on this? Seems to be lower to me. Getting a lower footprint off startup. Still coming up with US straight off the bat. Should be getting Firefox. I think I updated this, haven't I? So theming. What did I have on this? I do default like that. Yeah, then I did something else, didn't I? What's the theme on this? AntiX Magic Small. That was it. And right, we've got to do the what's it? Session. And I want this down here. Like that. Change this, yeah. Save that out. So hopefully it'll come back. Just like that. Yeah, that hasn't disappeared. That's good. That's good. That's good. Shares. That was it. Yeah. Cloud file access. That's really cool. Yeah, droopy. I had to install that, didn't I? No. Is it this? Yeah, our clone. Makes it easy to install stuff. Really nice little interface. Yeah, freaking cool. Google Drive, OneDrive, what's that do? Does that jump me to the same thing? Yeah, jumps me out of here. Nice. Fucking cool. So I'll be able to log in with OneDrive and my Google Drive. Sweet. Absolutely fucking nice. But this does seem to have a lower footprint. Or maybe I'm imagining things, I don't know. Desktop, customised look and feel. Let's go for that, shall we? Right. That's better. Thank you. Oh, so much better. Right. Colour. Icon themes. Yeah. I prefer that. Could install other ones. Mouse cursor, yeah. Yeah, on the white one on a black background, thank you. Uh, font, as it is. What's this? GUI options, icons only. Right. Enable accessibility and GTK options. Oh, I don't know. I think that's good enough. Right. System monitor, eh? That's that, isn't it? Ethernet up, Ethernet down. Disk. It's using bugger all. You're about 5 gig here. Yeah, ain't bad. Ain't bad, is it? Preferred applications. It's where we set them. Terminal. Rocks term. Seems okay to me, Rocks term. Right. If I log out and log in again, what happens? Do I get me thing back? Wow. No, does this shit again. I can't get it to stick to my preferred. I want the preferred desktop resolution, yeah? I mean, this looks cool and everything, but I need the session to stick. Yeah, I want that to be like default. How do I do that on this version of Linux? I don't know. Look and feel, eh? Oh, pardon me. Menu editor, boot repair, driver installer, suite, hardware. Mixer test sound.
Front, left, front, right, front, left, front, right, front, left.
Okay. Not bad, is it? It does seem to be a lower footprint to me, but don't know how to lock. I really don't know how to lock the screen resolution to what I want it as. So, shut down and load up the other one. Right. Right, this one. Yeah, I've got to do it manually every fucking time. That's it. That's annoying. I need that to set in session. Because this is session, yeah? Why can't it save it? It's not saving it. Why? What do I do with this fucking thing? What's this do? Saves it, does it? Oh, right. This loads it, yeah? What the fuck does this do? I don't understand. Doesn't make any sense. It's not obvious. Desktop software, all that shit. Let's have a look, browse through this package installer, see what it's like. Audio, right, what we've got in this? Oh, it's like Audacity. It's always useful. Audacious, Clementine, Pipewire, yeah, it's already installed. Browser for radio station directories. Pulse audio. Browsers, yeah, we got Firefox, ESR. Opera 32-bit is beta only. Pale Moon. Tor browser. Oh, that's in there. What games we got? Games. Yes. Straight off the bat. I've got Lutris. ScumVM. Yes. RetroArch. Endless Sky. Supposed to be good, that. Flight Gear, yeah. Play on Linux. Is anyone still using that? I thought the entire project had just been abandoned years ago. Surely be using something like Lutris or RetroArch or both. Talks, that ain't bad. Ain't bad, that. That if we run on this, it's a VM. Endless Sky would probably work. See if Lutris works, though. Lutris should just run straight off the bat, really. But it's not going to be any point in running it, to be honest, on a VM. I need bare metal to do that. But this is lightweight, bloody hell. Simple card games, yeah. Everybody needs those. Free Civ. Yeah. Civilization. I like those sort of games. I'm going to have a go on that anyway. To install that. What else we got? Graphics. Blender, yes. Inkscape, yes. GIMP, full. Full or basic? Full. I'd always go for full. I'm going to do that. What's Cherry Tree? Note-taking application. Right. Icons, what we got here? That it. Let's install all the icons. Kernels. What kernel are we running? 510. What are we going to get, mate? Language. Right. Whoa. Quite a lot of stuff. Just whatever language you want. Latex. No idea, never used it. Media centers. Kodi or Plex. What about Jellyfin? Media converter. The Sunder handbrake. Where's AVI Demux? Messaging. Never heard of them. Only Pigeon. Mist. Google Earth. Yeah, I like that. Always worth having. KeyPass X. Huh. Always handy. Network. Blue Man, yeah. Not having NordVPN. MegaSync. Yeah. Let's go for that. Newsreader, don't bother. Non-free. Codex, yeah. Office. What we got? The fuck is this? XPS ebook. Oh, that's. Oh. Oh dear. Free Office? LibreOffice. Not bothering. HP Lip. Yep. SSH Conduit. TeamViewer. We use that. Remner. SSH Conduit looks good. TeamViewer, everyone uses. X11 VNC. So insecure. SSH Conduit. I'm going to have a look at that. A lot of stuff. It's a lot of stuff that I haven't seen before. Or I haven't heard of. SSH Conduit. That'd be handy. Shutter XFC4. Ah. Server, local web server, Apache 2, PHP 7, Maria database. Rather a PHP 8 to be honest. Your basic lamp stack there anyway with one quick click install. So, themes, what we got? Just install all of them. torrent. What have we got in torrent? Qubit. Our torrent transmission. Don't want it. Don't want that. Yeah? Don't want them. They should be in there. Surely I can uninstall with this, not just... Oh, well, whatever. Add block. AntiX. Oh, built in, eh? Video stuff. Caden Live. M-Player. I like MPV personally. VLC, yeah. It's everybody's favourites. Wallpapers. Might as well install them. Window managers. What we got? Just install the extras, yeah? Let's do that. See what we get in there. Load it up with some stuff. Right, the following packages were selected. Right. Something wrong. Didn't bother reading it. We'll see what happens. Processing Google Earth. Looking good. What we getting here? CPU. Using a tiny bit of CPU. Not using any swap yet. This is so lightweight. What? Why? Oh, we have to do that here. So what is this doing? Doing a load of shit. Some applications unable to apply some actions. Okay, so whatever it's doing, I don't know what it's doing there. Problems detected installing, please see console output. Right. Do I need to enable some repos? Get some backport shit. Upgrade all. Do what we get. Load of shit. Maybe I hadn't updated this one. I thought I had, but maybe I needed extra things installed or enabled or whatever. Not as straightforward as most distributions. Right. Bugger. Okay, gone. Right. Apparently should be working anyway. As far as I know, this is running. You know. Oh, somehow. I don't know why. Should be. Assume that's been running. Anyway. Right, what's this? Configure grub, right? VDA. Should be, I would think. See if this boots again afterwards. How's it going? How's it going? All right to me. Oh, finished. Right. Go for that. Try that. See if it bloody works. Got a lot of crap that didn't work. So, can't seem to get everything installed. Why? Ripping some memory here, isn't it? Right. See if we can get that. We should have put Mega in the bloody cloud thing, really. Seems to be shit. Right, it doesn't seem to work. Not the way it's supposed to. Do it the old-fashioned way, yeah? See if that works. Doesn't seem to be able to find it. Okay. Okay, let's try this. Right. See if I can get it installed another way. This way. See what we get. See if I can get it this way. Mega should be in there with Google Drive and OneDrive. Dropbox as well should be in there. Right, here we go. No, we're not using Arch. Fuck's sake. That's the one. I'll just download it. Download it to here and I should be able to install it. Then it should bloody work. But it's in the list, but it didn't actually work. So out of the box, no, it doesn't work. It's a bit bloody lazy, really. If I've got to enable things, tell me. Give me a button. Right, so let's run this. This should run with GDebi now. I've installed it. Right. There we go. Install. Password. That should now install. Wherever it's bloody gone. No, can't see it in here. Nothing. What the fuck? It's here. Try it with that. See if that does it. Ah, it's x864 only. That's why. Ah, lots of stuff I'm trying to install that is x86 only. I mean, it's 64-bit only, and I'm running 32-bit version. So a lot of the stuff in the package manager is hit and miss by the looks of bleeding things. because they haven't differentiated between 32-bit and 64-bit. Now, if it's not available, why is it in the fucking list? So I can't install that on this. Not on a 32-bit. Sorry. But Google Drive and OneDrive will work. They will. I'm sure. For setup. Which means that I'll have to take this over to one side and piddle about with it. Hang on, what if I have a look? How much space am I taking up with these bloody things? I'll install the 64-bit versions. See what difference I get on that. Right. So I should have runit 5. Not using much. Using bugger all on that drive, so I'll spin up another one, shall I? Let's install the 64-bit version, see if I can get everything I want installed on that. But the 32-bit version is working, but it's going to be hit and miss as to what I can and cannot run on that. There's no good using the package manager. Alright. Let's come out of that. Let's make a new one. Okay. New VM architecture x86. We're going to do 64-bit forward. Browse. So, run it. So that's a full. Let's run it. 64-bit. That's 64-bit. Let's go for that. Forward. Oh, hang on. Forward. Yeah, we'll keep it the same and see what we get. Which one did I grab? Can't fucking remember. Was it run it? Yeah, it was run it. Forward, forward. Yeah, running 64. Customize. Keeping it. There we go. Finish. And I've got to select that, haven't I? Right, NIC. Be this. Right. Okay, let's start this. Install it. That's cool. And legacy kernel or USB use modern kernel. So I've got a different option on this. Legacy kernel or modern kernel. I'm going to go for the modern kernel. I know it's running on VM. Let's see. Normal boot, back to top. It's slightly different, isn't it? Let's go for it. See what we get. Gloves on, my hands are cold. Right. Right, it's up. Ready. That's wrong. Right. There we go. Get rid of that bloody thing. Right. So, where? No, we don't do that. Yeah. How do I select my bloody locale and keyboard from here? Fuck it. Just install. Right, I should have, yeah, single click. Did it right this time. I didn't get into the habit of double clicking each time. Right, this. Yeah, I'm going to do it. I'm going to get rid of that because I don't bloody need it. Let's have a look next. Yeah, next. Start. Right. Should bleed it better. Next. English has buggered off. Where are we? There. Right. And wait. So, 64-bit system, it's using twice as much RAM to install, I think. Wasn't using this much on 32-bit. Well, I'd have to rewind the tape to find out. I can't remember. But it is working. Bugger. So I'll just wait for this one to install. But it is bloody lightweight. Using the runit system rather than the system V in it. Huh. You should sod all on the disk, really. Not much. Could have several of these VMs running at once and it wouldn't really hardly hurt my system. It's finished. Let's reboot. Arse. Oh, there we go. Got to figure out how to get that back. That's driving me nuts. How the hell do I permanently set that on this desktop? How do I set the resolution permanently on this desktop? I have no idea. How do I set the resolution to be permanently stuck on what it's supposed to be stuck on? Oh dear. Right. So let's update. Do it the easy way through this. Idiot. Fuck's sake. I've buggered that. I'm going to do, yeah, grab the style because this is doing my head in. Theme it. It's better. Thank you. Right. It is using more RAM. 64-bit systems do use more RAM. Seems to be using twice as much. Well, you'd think it would. Larger words. It certainly ramps up a lot quicker to like about 500 megs, or just under, whenever it's doing anything. It's going to pull. It's using more disk as well. You can see that. Only got 1 gig of swap. Yeah. Now, when it installs, CPU is just tickling. Really not using much, is it? See if I can get other stuff installed. Well, everything I want installed. Let's see if I can get it done. Oh, it's doing all the locales, all of them. Surely I can strip that out so it's just the locales I need. So it doesn't have to do this every bleeding time. Well, that's boring, isn't it? Not doing too bad. 400. Yeah, but it's still quite a bit. The speed of it, though, the memory usage it's using, it's. If I put this down to 1 core on 32-bit, would it rival what Windows 98 used to be able to do, or Windows 95? Is it that lightweight? Can I have a modern machine, well, modern software running on a bloody ancient machine with sod all resources and still use it day to day for everything? Well, everything that's important, like banking and other stuff. Am I able to use YouTube on it? Will it work on a low enough resolution? Will it work? Oh, that's going some, isn't it? Using half the processor speed. On a single core, it should work. I would think a single core machine, yeah, that should work. 1 gig of RAM, single core. Well, what if I spin up a VM with runit and half a gig of RAM and a single core? Let's see how well that does. On runit, yeah. Why not? Why not? See this, that's going berserk in the background. I'll do that and I'll get another one. Make a new one. Right. Architecture, yeah, same as shit. Right, browse local. We're going to do 386, run it. Yeah, and Deb 12 in it. Next. Five 12. One. That's it. Forward. Yeah. Why not? This is going to be called yeah. Customize it. Network selection. My usual shit. Let's do that. Okay. So and and password. Right. Okay. All looks good to me. Single CPU. Yeah. Everything is cool. Begin installation. Your system is now up to date. Open a new one. The fuck? Like that. Right. Here's the new one. Full. Yeah. This is on a single core. So let's shut the other one down. Well, I probably don't need to, do I? But I'm going to anyway. So, session, in here, outputs, resolution, down at bottom, apply it. Weird way of doing it. Suddenly break convention. Get a bit of theme, for fuck's sake, default. And magic, tart, looks a bit better. Here we go. Install this one. This is a 32-bit version of runit installing on a single core with only 512 megs of RAM. So, okay, okay, get rid of it, don't need it, okay, next, whee, next, right, next, Auto login. Done. We wait. But it's using a lot less RAM. If you notice, look at that. Compared to the last one I just did, that was going up to 512. This is using a tiny amount of RAM. Loads better. Loads better. And it's installing a lot quicker because there's less to install. There's less to do. So much better. Probably going to be done quite quick, this one. Yeah, that's really going some. It's done. Bloody hell, that was quick. Let's restart it. Right. Should be on here. Here we go. Right. Sort out that. Again. Sweet. Okay, software update. Get there soon. There it's done. Automatic update, 72 updates. And this is runit. But sysv has less updates. Some reason. It's using fuck all memory. Uses absolutely bugger all memory on 32-bit. Really tiny. I think this is a winner. I'm going to try this on bare metal on really old machines. I don't know, 256. I think that machine's only got 256K in it, 256 megs in it rather. I'm interested to see how this runs on it. It's an old magnetic drive, so I could upgrade it, but for the sake of nostalgia, I think it's better to keep it as it is. single core. It's still only using roughly half of the CPU when it updates. So that's not bad. Oh, here we go. He's got to do this. 100% of the CPU while he's doing this. It's sorting out the locales. So, yeah, that'll max it out. It is maxing out. But that's taken quite a while to update. It was quicker to install, but it takes a lot longer to update. Interesting. It's very interesting. 32-bit system is quicker to install, but longer to update, whereas the 64-bit system takes longer to install, but is quicker to update. I think that raises a very interesting question as to, like, we'll use case for certain machines. This is quicker to install. It operates at a different frequency. I think a machine that was only 512 megs with a single core would work quite well with this operating system. But I'd have to try it out on the bare metal to actually get a feel of it. But this looks good. Shows the old themes, because this is bleeding terrible yet again. That's better. Right. So, web browser should be enabled. See what we can install. Can we install GIMP? Let's just get the software open and see what we can install. Can we install, like, icons? That's what I want. I want all the icons, thank you. I want all the themes. And I want all the wallpapers. And I want all the window managers. Right. Well, we got Dolphin. I do like Dolphin. See if that works. See Thunderbird. Browsers. Fuck everything else. Well, that's 32-bit. Opera. 32-bit is beta only. Let's try it. The 32-bit only browsers. Right. Graphics will GIMP install the full version. Well, I'll just take that out for the moment. I'll try that on another pass. Let's go for that. That'll do. Oh. Right, we'll see if this works. Oh, so it can't do Opera Beta. Bastard. Let's try that. Will this work? That'll be nice. Okay. What? Fuck's sake. Oh, that. Oh, for fuck's sake. All right, we won't bother with those. KDE service. Oh, fuck's sake. Right. See if this works. Go. It's doing it now. Interested to see my Google Drive actually up and running on this. That'd be cool. Would be cool. Have the Google Drive going. That would be nice. Right. So it's going nice. Finished. Right. So it's got those in there. Got wallpapers. About themes. Did I do them yet? SSH conduit. We'll have a look at that. But shares that. Okay. Give that a go. See what happens. Yes. Sweet. We can get our OneDrive going on it. I'm going to try and get my Google Drive going. I can get me photos and show you how it works. So, just take that down there and put it over here. Right. We're on a different one here. This is this, isn't we? Is it running? No. Right, I better set my Firefox up with this. Oh, it's done that now. Enter 6-digit code. Find out what this is. Uh, cool, that's in there. Right, back over here, eh? So, should have this fucking shit going now. So if I go in here, oh, it's done fuck all. It hasn't authorised it. I don't know. Right, that's it there. All right, it's going to do it now, is it? Right, all right, okay. So, should be correct. Right, this passkey should be bloody well working, shouldn't it? Weird. Not doing what it normally does, some sodded reason. Right. Should be bloody working. Right, so I should have access now. Google Drive. Anything? I don't fucking know. I can't see shit. Nothing working. Unresponsive. Fuck off. Right. Right. Why has it done that? Fuck's sake. Okay, I got something now. I got something. Okay, okay. Right, we've got something. Right, where's the photos? Loads of shit in here. There's bugger all in this. I can get to it, but it's like, where's my photos? That's the bit I wanted to get to. I want to get to the photos in my phone through the Google Drive. But, doesn't seem to want to work. Oh well. Try again. Shares. See what we get. And we got two of them for no reason. Anything that says photos. Anything. Nothing by the looks of things. Would be there. Don't know. No. Nothing. Dynamic. What? I don't know. Not working. Loads of shit. Ugh. Does work, but does work. Just got to see what the hell we got there. Weird. Pretty cool, but it's going to take a bit of learning. I'm going to have to try and find out how to get my photos across there because there's tons of Google Photos. I thought that was part of Google Drive. Where the fuck are they? Anyway, shut that down. I'm going to end the stream because that's enough for today, to be honest. So I'm going to go back to that some other time. Bit of fun anyway. Thanks, Dev Labs. Pretty cool.